Opinion Minister G. Kishan Reddy, while briefing the media in New Delhi, said that the languages of the country are an important base for the nation's unity and cultural history. The Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has witnessed a six-fold increase in budget allocation from nearly 21,000 crore rupees during 2013 to 14 to 1,22,000 crore rupees in 2024-25. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, ranked second in India in the latest QS World University Ranking Sustainability 2025. Niti Aayog, in collaboration with the University of California, Berkeley and Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research, organized a two-day international workshop in Mumbai yesterday. In chess, newly crowned world champion D. Gugesh has pulled out of the upcoming FIDE World Rapid and Bliss Championship.